Hey, what's up, guys? I am Tech. Welcome to our territory. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 leak reveals big upgrade. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is reportedly still on track for August launch, and now comes word that it's going to get a big upgrade that should help it last longer on a charge than the Galaxy Note 10. Now let's talk about the design of a Galaxy Note 20 model. According to rumors, Galaxy Note 20 model will mimic the Galaxy S20 design, which in turn stole the centralized hole punch design from the Galaxy Note 10 display. Here we will get a two setup from the already superlative Galaxy S20 screen. According to dxomark camera review, consistently good XP, color and detail make the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra a good all-rounder for a smartphone photography. Its ultra-wide camera and bokeh effects in a portrait mode for a particularly impressive and with a good video performance in 4K video. Together with a host of another resolution and slow motion recording settings, there is a plenty of possibility for capturing moving images too. Issues with a close range zoom, slow autofocus in low light. According to IC Universe, it may seem unexpected, but if you think about it carefully, this fair result is also Samsung did not optimize the S20 Ultra. We know this thanks to Samsung, which announced its new enhanced OLED display have now entered mass production, means Galaxy S20 owner just pissed off. Samsung promises lower power consumption and reduced blue light in these panels, saying our 5G optimized OLED display is taking the lead in the 5G era with this crystal clear image. Now Samsung says that Samsung new OLED display come to fore with Samsung saying they are 15% more powerful efficient than those in the S20 model. Samsung 120Hz mode is a quite power hungry mode that's simply not as optimized as one would hope to it to be, while the performance and fluidity it brings is outstanding, except on an average 20 to 25% power hit on your battery life depending on use cases. People using their phones on higher brightness level will see less for a percentage degradation. Now let's talk about the camera. As Samsung has done for several years, the new Galaxy Note lineup will use the same camera modules as the Galaxy S20 models, giving the same hardware expect updates to the S20 range to mean the Galaxy Note 20 series has a much smoother arrival out the gate. The only question is whether there will be a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to use the crazy 108 megapixel camera in the Galaxy S20 Ultra. According to rumor, the Galaxy Note 20 will have the same size battery as the standard Galaxy S20, which is good news. And this is just one of two Galaxy Note 20 models that Samsung is expected to release this year. The leaks say that the standard Galaxy Note 20 will ship with a 4000 mAh battery, which is the same one found in the Galaxy S20. The rated capacity is 3880 mAh, but the typical capacity is 4000 mAh. By the comparison, the Galaxy Note 10 has a battery capacity of 3500 mAh. The Samsung Galaxy 10 Plus features a 4300 mAh battery, 10 or 47 mid in our test. Let me know down the comments below what your thoughts about the phone. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.